pediatric daily rates. It surprises me that students sometimes get confused by this when it's a simple multiplication process. Okay, what do I mean by that? So this is used in practice, but it will show up in your final exam. Okay, this is how it will look like: 100 ml per kilogram per day. See the difference? It went from milligram per kilogram per day to ml per kilogram per day for the first 10. I should write the word first.
Yeah,
I haven't given you anything because I want you to pay attention. Kilogram of body weight. 50 ml per kilogram per day for the next 10 kilogram of body weight. 20 ml, right, per kilogram per day for each kilogram above 20 kilogram body weight thereafter. Okay? Maggie, your patient weighs 13 kilograms. Okay, first problem. Just so you know, these three are not or. You're not going to use them individually. They come as a group. It's tiered. There's a tier to it. Okay? There's a tier. Now, the weight is already given in kilograms. Do we have to convert? No, we don't have to convert. So, these are conditions. It says you have to give the patient, in this case Maggie, 100 ml per kilogram per day for the first 10 kilograms of her body weight. Does she have at least 10 kilograms?
Yeah.
Yeah, so to simplify, so this is 13 kilograms. That means she has 10 kilograms and 3 kilograms. You agree?
Mm-hmm.
Total 13 kilograms. How much do we have to give Maggie for her first 10 kilograms? 100 ml, correct? 100 ml, correct? Okay. This can also be ratio proportion. I'll do it later. Okay? So this is, Kathy said, 1,000 ml. That is correct. But Maggie's not only 10 kilograms. Maggie is what? 13 kilograms. So what do we do with the remainder 3 kilograms? Times 50 ml. So how much is this? 150 ml. So this is 13 kilograms, and we have to add this, and this is 1,150 ml. Do not overthink it. It's that simple. That's it. What if there was a decimal? You just use the decimal 3.15 for the next year. What is Maggie's over 20 kilograms?
You just keep going.
You just keep going, correct. Okay. How can this be solved using ratio and proportion? I think this is simple enough.
Yeah.
That's it. But in case you're curious, yes, you can do ratio and proportion for this one. 100 ml per kilogram is to 10 kilogram, X ml is to 10 kilograms. But I'm trying to simplify it to not confuse you. Remember, I used to teach math 6 different ways. I thought I was helping the students, but I wasn't. Because I was thinking at least one of the 6 they'll get. No, that wasn't the case. So I brought it down to ratio and proportion, and I dimensional analysis and killed multiplication and division. for a reason. I killed it for a reason because I saw it kills students' grades. Okay? So difficult. Do not overthink. Yes, it's really that simple. Next one. Sarah weighs 24 kilograms given this specific conditions. Sarah weighs 24 kilograms. So how are we going to do it? Okay, for your patient, Sarah is 24 kg. How do we do this first? First 10. What's your multiplier? 100. Okay. Do I have another 10?
Yes.
Okay, 10 kilograms. And what's my multiplier then? Very good. 50 ml. And that should be 500 ml. Do I end here? No. What's my next one? Very good. That makes your total 24 kilograms. Goodness. Sometimes there's a group that doesn't get it because they're overthinking it. Okay. What's my multiplier here?
20, sorry.
20 ml. Very good. What is that? 80. What's my next step? So this will be how much? There you go. There's probably about 5 to 7 questions of this on the final. Very easy, right? Last one. Tim weighs 40 pounds. Your patient Tim. There's an extra step then, right? Weighs 40 pounds. 40. How much is this in kilograms? 18.18 kg. Do I have a first 10? What's my next one then? What's my next tier?
Sorry.
This is when students get confused. You already used 10, so what's my next one? Thank you. 8.18 because it's not even 10. So you have to stick to the second tier. It didn't even reach 10. You see that? So you have to use the decimal. Okay? Kilogram times. There you go. Give me an answer, please. Huh?
409.
Or 09. Now, I can add this side just to double check. 18.18 kg. And this one should be. Do not overthink this part. That's the problem with the students. Like, how come you got all the milligram per kilogram, and then here you're so confused? Do not overthink it. It is really that simple. Okay? So let's see if it's really that simple.
Sorry.
That's some in-class work. And I do have And that ends all of our math lectures. Just practice, practice, practice. You see why I had to change our schedule? Yes. So that's already clear in our head. That we did this.
Yeah, we did. Is it already?
Which one?
This is last word.
Here's homework. Then work on this. My legs. Do not overthink this one, please. It's really that simple.